Hello! In this video, I will tell you more about the customer journey. The customer journey is a path a customer takes before converting on your website. This path can be spread across multiple days and multiple channels. Therefore, the term customer journey is multi-interpretable. At Odyssey, we only speak about the online touchpoints that led to a conversion. For example, if someone visits the webshop 5 times and buys a product the 5th visit, we look at a customer journey as 5 touchpoints that have contributed to this sale. The default settings for the amount of customer journey days are 90 days in Odyssey. But during the onboarding call together with your onboard manager, you will discuss what is preferable for your company and aligned with your target audience. If you want to change this at a later stadium, you can do this by clicking on Account Settings and click on Analysis Parameters. Please note that when you change the maximum amount of days of a customer journey, the application needs to recalculate the data, which can take a couple of minutes.